Arizona takes impaired driving very seriously and enforces some of the toughest penalties in the country. While Proposition 207 made it legal for adults to use and possess small amounts of marijuana for recreational purposes, it remains illegal to operate a vehicle while under the influence of cannabis. If you drive after using marijuana, you put yourself and others at risk. Police officers can stop you if they suspect impairment, and a marijuana DUI conviction in Arizona carries severe consequences. Understanding Arizona DUI law as it relates to cannabis is important whether you use marijuana for medical or recreational purposes, as the state does not make exceptions for legal use when it comes to impaired driving. In late 2020, Proposition 207 became law in Arizona. This law made it legal for adults 21 and older to use marijuana for fun, not just medical reasons. This works much like alcohol laws for people over 21. Even though marijuana is now legal to use, you still cannot drive while impaired by it. Arizona law makes it illegal to operate a vehicle when marijuana affects your ability to drive safely. You can face DUI charges if marijuana is in your system and you are behind the wheel. Before Proposition 207, the Arizona Medical Marijuana Act, AMMA, only allowed marijuana use for medical purposes. The new law expanded who can legally use marijuana, but it did not change the rules about driving. You must keep marijuana use separate from driving to avoid legal trouble. When an officer pulls you over, they will first ask for your license, registration, and insurance. They will also ask you basic questions while watching for signs of impairment. Officers look for slurred speech, the smell of marijuana, or any drug paraphernalia in your vehicle. If the officer notices anything unusual, they will move forward with additional testing. Field sobriety evaluation officers may ask you to perform field sobriety tests, FSTs, if they suspect marijuana impairment. These tests check your balance, coordination, and ability to follow instructions. Common tests include the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, which tracks eye movement, and tasks like walking in a straight line or standing on one leg. Drug recognition experts may also evaluate you for specific signs of THC impairment. You have the right to refuse these tests. If marijuana use is suspected, officers need different testing methods. Having legal help makes a big difference. Your lawyer will answer your questions and guide you through each step of the process. Contact the criminal defense team at 602-900-9891 to schedule your complimentary consultation.